Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I will be introducing a snack subscription to you guys. So all food lovers out there, hit the like button now itself. It's our first eatable subscription on this channel and I think it deserves that. Now let's move on to the unboxing and review.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is the Snacks Expert subscription box. They have 3 variants. Trial box worth Rs 150 where you get 3 snacks 50 grams each. Then we have the standard box worth 699 where you have 5 snacks of 150 grams each. And the best part is you can choose your snacks as per your choice in this plan. And that's the one I have here. And of course it's a lot cheaper if you go for a quarterly subscription. So the Smart Snacker is for Rs 1799 for 3 boxes of the standard box. And you also get free goodies worth Rs 300. This is how the standard box looks like. It has their logo here and it says Healthy Snacking Unleashed. There are quite cute doodles and cartoons over here. And at the back, they have their social media links. And it says that it's a recyclable box and the ways you can use them. So that was really nice of them. Now moving on to the snacks. So these are for those who are watching their diet. For the food lovers who can't stop snacking but want to shed those extra kgs. These are very healthy and they have a nutrition rich ingredient list. They come in these Ziploc packs, so you don't have to worry about their storage. These do not have any added preservatives, so they do have a short lifespan of around 1 month. But one of the top reasons why packaged food is harmful for your health are preservatives, so you're better off without them. Let me tell you guys beforehand as a disclaimer that I've already tasted all of these. But of course, it's a snack subscription and how could I resist? Plus, I had to share my opinion on how they taste. So let's go through them one by one. So let me start with my favorite. It's already half finished. This is the Kodo Millet Crispies, 150 grams. And in the ingredients, you can see Kodo Millet flour, moong dal, rice flour, urad dal, sunflower oil, butter, roasted gram and few more things. Well, these taste exactly like what we call muruki in Odia. It's available throughout India and is a very popular snack. I'm sure you all would have tasted something like this. You won't be compromising on taste when you choose this healthier alternative. It is really very crispy and tasty. Then we have these nuts and berries. So this one right here is an old-fashioned nut mix which has roasted peanuts, pepper cashews, almonds and walnuts. You cannot expect these to taste like chatpata or spicy masala peanuts or masala kaju. They are lesser on salt because salt actually retains water in your body and makes you bloat. So honestly, you will have 80 to 90% of the taste. But it was more nutty and pure kind of taste which I did like and believe most of you would like. As you can see here, we have walnuts, almonds, some cashews and quite a lot of peanuts. So I would say peanuts are around 40 to 50% of this entire thing and rest are with cashew, almonds and walnuts. This one here is the Tri-Berry Medley which had black raisins, strawberries and cranberries. These are actually the dried fruits. So these have the natural sweetness and it was very tangy and fruity. Let me show you guys how the strawberries looked. So this is how they looked. It was really tasty and definitely one of my favorites. Then we have 2 more. These were very nice Sweet Cravings Rescue snacks. This one is a laddu and this was a flapjack. Let me show you the ingredients. This is the oats and nuts laddu which had oats, black or brown seedless dates, ghee, figs, almonds, walnuts, pistachios and flax seeds. I think you all know how good flax seeds are and everything inside is so nutritious and so good for your body. And this one right here is almond and cinnamon flapjack which had oats, butter, jaggery, honey, chocolate chips and whole orange. So this was more sweeter than the laddus. So that was all I have in my Snacks Experts box. But you can choose from a wide range of nuts, flapjacks, dried fruits, bars, brownies, etc. They have a huge variety of healthy snacks. So coming to the review part, I definitely like the concept of healthy snacks, especially for us foodies. Taste wise, I was quite impressed too, considering they would not hamper your waistline. So if you want to indulge yourself in some guilt-free snacking, it is a very good option. If pricing is a concern, then you can first try out their trial box and then go for the Smart Snacker one. But if budget is not a concern and you are very serious about your weight loss but just cannot help binge eating, switch to this without any second thoughts. It would be worth. Do let me know your opinion in the comments, and please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. There is a giveaway running on my channel. Participate if you like. Link will be in the description box. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.